Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these pumpkin spice cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your room temperature butter, followed by the granulated white sugar, which is then followed by the light brown sugar, and beat them all together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. This doesn't take very long, so don't worry. You can then go ahead and add in your egg. There's no need to stop the mixer and scrape down at this point. And once your egg has been fully incorporated, you can then go ahead and add in the pumpkin puree and just mix it in until it's fully incorporated. You may get a few bits at the top or the bottom of the bowl that don't fully incorporate, but that's when we can stop the mixer and give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and do the rest by hand, so add in your dry ingredients, followed by the ground spices, and then your chocolate chips, and just mix these in until they are fully incorporated, being careful not to over mix the mixture, otherwise your cookies will have a tough texture which isn't pleasant. Once your cookie dough is ready, you can then go ahead and take a large ice cream scoop and just scoop up generous amounts of the cookie dough and place onto a baking tray directly. There's no need to reshape or remold them, just place them on there and bake them up. Onto a standard baking tray I get around 6 cookies, but you may be able to get more or less depending on the size of your trays, so just do that accordingly. Once you have all of your cookies on your tray, you can then place them into the preheated oven and bake them up. All of the information regarding temperatures and times will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below. Once they are fresh out of the oven, you will then want to start putting chocolate chips on top, and you may think, well, there's a lot of chocolate in there. Don't worry, the chocolate really just works so well with the spices and pumpkin. Trust me on this one, I know, and it works well, so just do it for yourself and give it a try. So this recipe makes around 9 large cookies, which are more than enough for one person to enjoy, or to share just a cookie between two if you don't want something overly sweet. This is the recipe for you. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another video, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all of my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there, as I am trying to be a little more active now we are in the autumn months. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.